Welcome back, guys, and here we go with our centre court tennis project. Let's have a look at the way the game's playing at the moment. So we click the green flag, and we've got a nice rotating tennis ball there. New game, nice bit of sound. But what hasn't happened is we haven't actually moved on to the next screen. So we just need to add a little bit of code to the stage. So when we receive start game, now if you remember that when we click on the new game button, it will broadcast start game. So when we receive start game, what we want to do is we want to change the costume. Alright, so we want to, in fact, we want to switch the background to the court. Okay, let's have a go with that now. Alright, great. So that's looking good. Now here we've introduced this new sprite. So I've got a caricature there of Andy Murray, and we want Andy to move sort of back and across the tennis court. So there's Andy, and I'll just call it Andy. And we've got two versions of Andy. So we've got Calm Andy, and I'll just import Angry Andy as well. So Angry Andy is the version who hits the ball. So we've got Calm Andy and Angry Andy. Now we want to actually apply a bit of code to those because we want to have them moving left and right across the screen. Now the first thing is that when the green flag is clicked, we don't want Andy to appear. We only want it to appear when we actually hit the new game button. And then when the new game button is actually hit, when we receive start game, we want Andy to show. Okay, so we'll show, and then we got a bit of a forever loop going on. So let's have a look. So forever if, and we want to sense the right arrow has been pressed. And then if it does, we want to change X by 10. And then similarly, if the left arrow, let's get that in the right place, if the left arrow is clicked, then again we want to change the motion. We're going to change X by 10. But in this particular case, I'm not set X to 10. I'm going to change X by 10, but in this case, obviously, minus 10. Right. So let's have a look at that. New game, music, background changes, and Andy. There he goes. Now what we want him to do is to face in a different direction. So he faces to right when we're going right, but we want it to face to left when we're going left. So we need to just have a point in the direction. Right there, so point in direction right when we're going right, and point in direction left when we're going left. I think the other thing we want him to do is at the start of the game, we want him to appear in the middle. So let's have him go to that particular point when he shows. Alright, let's see how that goes. New game. Nice twinkling music. And Andy comes in and he's going there, he's there, he's there, he's there. One thing that we need to make sure though, we've got this middle of the two arrows selected so that he only faces left and right. So make sure that is selected, and that way you'll have him going like that. Okay, so see how you get on with that and get back to me when you're done.